Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to use Turbotax to file tax return. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and then go to the Turbotax official website. Over here, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner, then log into your account. After that, once you're signed in, you will be directed to the Turbotax homepage. Then look for the option to start or continue your tax return. Over here, click on the Review or Edit button to access your return. After that, go to the Personal Profile section. Then enter your personal details like name, address, and social security number carefully. Over here, make sure all previously entered information is correct and up to date. After that, continue filling out all required fields step by step. Then gather your tax documents like W-2s or 1099s and enter your income details. Finally, review all sections carefully and make sure everything is accurate before submitting your return. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.